extra bars, bottom extra bars. At top, at the right hand side and at left hand side we have some extra bars over here, and the extra bar is basically the straight shape, and we have the bend over here, and it is total of 1 bar. 12 mm is the dia at the top I am talking about, and the bottom it is a straight shape, and we have the details over here. Let's find out how we can find out the cut length for these bars. And simply I'll go here, number as 3, and next to it what we need to do is we'll go here, copy all of this stuff from here, paste it over here, no problem. Next we have to add here top extra bars. Next spacing, there is no need to add the spacing over here. For shape it is like this one. Next for bend direction we have only 190-degree bend, so it is equal to 2 into dia bar. Next to it what we need to do is we need to add here the bend or the revolvement length, this one. What we took over here is basically 12 into d, so we will take the same as over here. Copy this one, paste it over here. And what about the dia of this bar at the top? Before that, if we have any kind of overlap we can add it over here, but no, we do not have any kind of overlap. And dia we are using here 12 mm for the extra bar. At the top is the concrete cover, next to it number of bars. So number of bars at the top we have 2 at the right hand side and the left hand side we have 2 with the same length. 2 multiplied by number of members, how many GB1 we have, 2, and then total numbers will be equal to number of bars multiplied by number of members. Hit enter. Now next to it what we will do, we will find out the total length. In order to find out total length, first of all we need to find out the cut length. So it is equal to this one. What about this horizontal? Let me go here, and it is total of 1800 right from this spot at the center up to this position, it is 1800. Now we need to add this value as well, the total spot minus concrete cover from both ends. This is what we need to find out. 1800 plus this spot minus concrete cover. This is the horizontal. 1800 plus the spot is 225 minus we need to do what? We need to deduct concrete cover, that is 25 mm. And this is basically the total horizontal length. Let me check it again. 1800 plus 225 minus concrete cover is 25 mm. 2000 mean 2 meter. And next to it what we need to do is we need to find out the total length, and total length will be equal to cut length, this one plus this one, and minus we need to do the bend directions as well, minus bend direction, and then multiply it with total numbers. Where are total numbers? Divide it on 1000 in order to convert it into meter. Hit enter. So we can find out this one, you can see over here. Now next to it we need to find out the bottom main bars as well. Number as 4, and this all we will copy this one, paste it over here, no problem. And next to it I'll write here bottom extra bars, sorry, extra bars. Next there is no need to add the spacing. At bottom it is straight shape, you can see over here the straight shape, so I'll put it as the straight shape over here like this. So as this is the straight shape, so there is no any bend direction over here, no bend or development length, no overlap is over here. What about the dia of this bar? Let's check this one. So dia of this bar we are using here 12 mm again, so put it as 12 mm. So at bottom we have only 1 bar, and then total numbers will be equal to number of bars multiplied by number of members. So before that we need to add here the number of members. We have 2 GB1, and then total numbers will be equal to number of bars multiplied by number of members. Hit enter. So we have 2 bars over here. Now let's find out the total length over here. In order to find out total length, first of all we need to find out the cut length over here. So what about the cut length? Look, 1500 offset at this spot, from this spot up till here, 1500 offset from this spot up till here, so it will make total of 3000 plus 225. This is the cut length. So 1500 plus 1500 plus 225, 3225 millimeter, 3225. So let's put it over here, equal to 3225. Now next to it we need to find out the total length, and total length will be equal to cut length multiply by total numbers, because we do not have any kind of deductions over here to do, no overlap is over here. So directly cut length multiply by total numbers and simply divide it on 1000 in order to convert it into meter. So you can see the total length over here. So we have find out what the main bars at the top, main bars at the bottom. We have find out extra bars at the top, extra bars at the bottom. It is time to find out the stirrups as well.